Samsung has consistently utilized top-tier panels for its flagship Galaxy S Ultra model, maintaining the same specifications for several years. Thankfully, there's a promising change in store for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display this year, as indicated by a reputable tipster, although the initial details provided were quite vague. We've conducted further investigation to highlight the potential differences between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the other two models slated for early 2024 release. On the microblogging platform X, a well-known source, Ice Universe, appears to be generating anticipation among his followers by asserting that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature an upgraded display. Regrettably, he is likely to divulge more specific information in the coming days, given the ambiguity of his recent post. Earlier speculations, however, have suggested that Samsung may enhance the refresh rate of next year's devices, potentially increasing it from 120 Hz to 144 Hz. Yet, for the majority of users planning to upgrade to this flagship next year, the difference in refresh rate may not be readily noticeable. Nevertheless, with a higher refresh rate, Samsung has the opportunity to enhance the touch sample rate of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, resulting in a more responsive smartphone. It's essential to differentiate between refresh rate and touch sample rate, as they are distinct concepts. Additionally, rumors suggest that Samsung may introduce LTPO technology to the displays of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, providing alternative ways to distinguish the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra faced criticism for causing eye strain, headaches, and related issues due to its 240 Hz PWM. For context, PWM is a technology that controls diodes by switching them on and off at varying rates, with lower values being more cost-effective for manufacturers like Samsung. In comparison, the iPhone 14 Pro Max utilizes a 480 Hz PWM, resulting in reduced eye strain compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This indicates that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might see improvements in this aspect. Furthermore, similar to the more affordable models, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could potentially feature slimmer bezels, leading to an increased screen-to-body ratio and a boost in aesthetics. Hopefully, the tipster will provide further updates on the nature of the upgraded display, and we'll be sure to share more information as it becomes available. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.